series of PHP tutorials. And this is tutorial 6, and in this video we're going to talk about the PHP switch statement. So name this file switch.php, and what we'll do is we will create a basic switch statement. So we will say use the keyword switch, and we'll put the variable x, $sign and then an x. Your switch statement goes in here, and here we'll create a variable called x, set it equal to 10, and we'll say in here that we'll have case, case 1, and in here we'll have echo value equals 1, and we'll have a break, and then we'll have a case 10, and then we'll have echo value equals 10, and then we'll have a default which will be echo value not found. Let's save that, and let's try and load this file. So localhost / switch.php. It's printed out the default, both the default and the strange. I don't know why I forgot the break. After case equal to 10. Okay, my mistake. So let's save that. Yep, and the value equals 10. So what it's doing is the variable set here. This doesn't have to be a variable that we set. This could be a user entered value, for example. You might prompt a user to enter a value on a form or by another method. User could enter the value of 10, and the switch statement would take that value of 10 in here as its parameter, and it would go through the various cases until it found the value. So it comes to the first case and realizes that the value that's been entered isn't 1, so it ignores the first case. It goes to the second case and it realizes that the value entered is 10, so it prints that out and then it breaks the program. If it didn't find either of these values, it would just go to the default and say value not found. So if I put in here, if I put x as 5, if the user entered x equal to 5, what would happen is it would ignore case 1 because it knows that x is equal to 5, not 1. It would ignore case 10 because it knows that x is equal to 5, not 10. And it would, because it's ignored the first two cases, because it can't find a value, it would jump straight to the default case. So if we run this script now, it should print out value not found. So let's just try that. Yeah, value not found. Or we could enter another case in here. I suppose we could enter the case for the value being equal to 5, and save that. And parse error, unexpected. wonder what's happened there. I see what I've done. I've put the 5 on the wrong side of the column. Simple mistake. So let's run that again. Yep. Oh, still saying value equal to 10. Why is that? Because I've got value equal to 10 in here. So if I save that and run it, value is 5. But if I put the input as 1, it should print out value equal to 1. Oh, which it didn't. I forgot to save. So x equal to 1, it should print out value equal to 1. If I put in x equal to 5, it should print out value equal to 5. Which it does. If I put in x equal to 10, it should print out value equal to 10. And if I put x as a value that's just not there, if I put x as 20, it should find the case where x equals 20, so it should just print out the default value not found. So let's try that. Which it does. So that's basically all there is to the switch statement in PHP. It's a basic introduction to it. You can have a look at it yourself and see what you think. Thanks very much for watching.